Welcome back. It's time for sports.
The West Indies will be looking to restore some pride when they take on England on Friday afternoon, Jamaica time, in the first of 3 T20 internationals. The Caribbean men are coming off a 3-0 defeat in the ODI series to the English.
I would just say we just need to adapt a bit quicker, assess the conditions and obviously play a particular situation a little bit better. But it's a different squad now. We have to put that ODI series behind us, take the learnings from it for sure. And then look ahead. We've got a new captain, some experienced players coming back into the T20 side. So there's a lot to look forward to. Yes, take the learnings from the ODI series, but focus now on the T20.
The match is set to bowl off at 12:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Meanwhile, the Caribbean side will have to do without spinner Akeal Hussain and batter Jed Gooley for the upcoming matches against England and Ireland, as both have been unable to travel to the UK due to visa issues. Both remain in Trinidad, having failed to gain visas after UK entry requirements were updated for Trinidad and Tobago citizens on April 23. 32-year-old Hussain, who is ranked second in the ICC T20 bowling rankings, was set to play in the first T20 at Chester Street on Friday. Uncapped Gooley was a late addition to the squad for the 3-match T20 series against Ireland that follow as a replacement for Roston Chase. 2024 World Indoor Long Jump bronze medalist Kerry McLeod says that the large number of Jamaicans down to compete in the field events at Friday's Rome Diamond League meet is a testament to the overall improvement in the diversity of Jamaican track and field. In addition to McLeod, Paris Olympic medalists Shanika Ricketts and Rajendra Campbell are also among the 10 Jamaicans down to compete at the meet. Ricketts is expected to face a competitive field in the women's triple jump, while Campbell will line up in the men's shot put. The pair of Romain Beckford and reigning world indoor bronze medalist Raymond Richards will compete in the men's high jump. In the men's long jump, McLeod will battle Paris Olympic gold medalist Miltiadis Tentoglou of Greece and Paris bronze medalist and hometown boy Matteo Furlani of Italy. McLeod, who is also a 2023 World Championship finalist, spoke of the slight shift underway in Jamaican track and field.
I think it's a good thing that Jamaica is showcasing other talents, but the likes of sprints, everyone kind of gravitates a little bit more to sprints. And then now the marks that we put out here on the field events is getting more excited, as you can see. Like field events is getting more excited, so I think Jamaica is heading in the right direction in the sense of, from a marketing perspective, we put ourselves on the market to showcase that we're not just a sprint country, but also we are dominated in the field events also.
Meanwhile, on the track, 2016 Olympic champion Omar McLeod and Paris Olympic finalist Orlando Bennett will line up in the men's sprint hurdles, while Paris Olympic finalists Rochelle Clayton and Cheyenne Salmon will compete in the women's 400-meter hurdles, along with compatriot Andronette Knight. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.